Okay, so I know this is really odd, but the point of making the video like this is that we get the most attention and we're able to deliver the most value. I want you guys to really ask yourself, how much value can you generate right now for your prospects? Is it just video editing? Is it just creating content that's really, really good? Of course not. Like, there's gonna be so much more that you can do in order to alleviate the most pain. What does that version of you that has clients has in common with you right now? Absolutely nothing. Because अगर कुछ ऐसा होता तो आपका सभी clients होते. That version of you has more knowledge on every single aspect that you're lacking knowledge in. आपको बेशक सुन के लगे कि नहीं कोई secret strategy है, कोई secret sauce होती है. No, there's nothing like that. All that you're missing is simply the fact कि आपके पास knowledge नहीं है on how to do better outreach, on how to do better prospecting, on how to alleviate more pain for your prospect ताकि you're able to generate more value and make more money. So what you have to do is that you need to educate yourself. आपकी जो भी niche है, like your niche could be web development, your niche could be video editing, your niche could be AI automation agencies. How are you going to make the most money with your AI automation agency? The answer is simple. The more things you are going to be able to automate for your prospect, the more money you are going to be able to make. However, what most people don't understand is the fact कि they think हम उनके लिए छोटा मोटा task कर देंगे. What's going to happen is that कि किसी तरीके से उनको दाव लगा कि we're going to make so much money from them कि पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. हालांकि that's not going to happen. What's going to happen is that कि वो शायद आपको एक दफ़ा तो पैसे दे दें, but उसके बाद they won't pay you money because they're not going to be able to see the ROI. So you have to educate yourself. You have to read books. And when I say read books ना लोग बड़ा इससे वो होते हैं succeed करने से क्या फ़ायदा होगा. Now the only purpose or the only reason why you should be reading books is purely because of the fact that you have to make sure that you're able to understand and look at the world in a completely different way from other people. When you educate yourself through books, when you educate yourself through more information, जो भी आपकी niche है उसके अंदर, whether it be lead gen, कुछ भी, the more podcasts you listen to, the more books you read around that stuff, the more resources you consume, the more information you're going to have inside your head. And the next time when you're going to approach a problem, what's going to happen is that you're going to be able to come up with a unique solution because आपके पास जितनी information वो किसी और के पास नहीं है. And because of that you will have a unique competitive advantage जो कि किसी और को आपके करीब नहीं आने देगी. And because of that you will have a unique solution. Because of that you will make unique money, which is going to be more money because no one else is going to have the solution that you're going to have. So the version of you that exists out there that has more clients, more money, just purely has more knowledge. He has more focus, he's more hardworking, and he's more diet conscious. He's more knowledgeable on the subjects that you're lacking knowledge in. He's more informed about your niche, he's more informed about your services, and he's more informed about the fact on how he can make his services better ताकि he's able to better alleviate more pain, leading to generating more value. So I hope this video helps you guys out to understand that it's literally just a matter of knowledge, information. आप जितना मर्जी बैठ के strategies देखें YouTube पे, this secret strategy is going to be able to make you so much money, this is going to make you so much that, फलाना ढिमकाना, nothing's going to work because at the end आपको यही नज़र आएगा. आप बेशक महंगे से महंगा कोचिंग प्रोग्राम भी ले लें, at the end आपको यही नज़र आएगा कि यार अगर मैंने पैसे कमाने हैं ना, मुझे चीज़ें सीखनी पड़ेंगी, मुझे नॉलेज गेन करना पड़ेगा. कोई सीक्रेट ट्रिक नहीं है. The only secret trick is that you gain more knowledge and then you're able to come up with unique solutions. Because of that you are going to be able to make a lot more money. That's the only social or only trick that one can do in order to make more money. So have an amazing day. I hope you guys enjoyed the view and I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.